Good morning students, I hope you all are fine. Now welcome to art class. Today we will learn how to draw and color the nature scene. First of all we will draw the mountains. Slanting line up, slanting line down, slanting line up, slanting line down, slanting line up, slanting line down. In this way we have made mountains. After that we will make sun. पहाड़ में से धूप निकलते हुए नजर आती है ना, तो हम सन बनाएंगे like this, raises. Okay, we can make some clouds also like this. Okay, in this way, and you will make the river in this way. After that you can make the fish. पानी में रिवर में फिश होती है ना बेटा. Then you will make like this fish. Okay, after that you will make the hut. सबसे पहले आप क्या बनाएंगे? Triangle. Yeah, make the triangle. After that you will make sleeping line like this. Again you will make sleeping line, but it should be big rather than this. इससे थोड़ी बड़ी होनी चाहिए. Then you will join with the help of slanting line. After that you will make standing line, again standing line, again standing line, and you will make sleeping line to join these three lines. After that you will make here a square, then cross, you will make the window, and you will make the door. In this way you will make the hut, and you can make the path. You can make the bricks also, it is your own choice. After that you will make the flower, which we have already learnt. After making the flower you can make butterfly, we have already learned. And this way you can draw the nature scene, and you will color the pictures also. In this way you will complete the nature scene. Thank you, have a nice day.